can do. John writes, is there anyone at Riva that knows the effects of altitude for tuning RPM for prop pitch? There is nothing of... Yes. Short answer, yes. There is nothing available for impellers for higher altitudes for a GP 1800R or 1800 SVHO. I would say that Jet X up in Canada would... he's had tremendous success in installing Riva kits on Yamahas and Sea-Doos, and he's pretty high up there. So,
well, as we know, Kevin, when you go to higher altitudes, these supercharged engines make less horsepower, so the RPM drops and the skis become more sluggish. So the higher you go, the slower they go, the less horsepower they make, and part of that power loss can be made up by running a lower pitch pump impeller, because it'll push the RPMs up, create a little bit more boost, and you can bring it closer back to spec. You may not be able to get everything depending on how high you are. So you got to lighten up the props. We say lighten them up or reduce the pitch on the trailing edge for the most part. You know who does a really good job with that is Impros.
Yes.
Yeah, Glenn at Impros. Yeah. So for instance, for this GP 1800, you could start with our Solus impeller for the kit, like I believe it's a 1318, and Glenn can take some pitch out of that. You would send that to Impros, tell them your altitude. We know what to do at Riva, but Impros is really the pitch specialist for repitching, and he will repitch and send back to you, and he's doing a great job with that with jet boats and PWC.
And John, by the way, completely... this is a gratuitous plug for the Watercraft Journal, but if you use coupon code WCJ10 when you call Impros, they'll cut 10% off for you. Nice. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.